Dick Smith Air Conditioning is your certified air conditioner and heating specialist. Indoor air quality products are our specialty, and we strive for customer satisfaction 100% of the time. Our business has successfully cooled and heated residents for over 35 years. Stay comfortable with a working system and allow us to perform maintenance on your system when the need arises. Honest quality craftsmanship can be found with Dick Smith Air Conditioning. Our professional certified technicians are fully qualified to help you with your selection on the system that best fits your home and your personal needs. We find solutions for many of the problems and deficiencies you may encounter with your current system. We are known for being one of the most experienced and knowledgeable cooling, heating, and air quality contractors around. For more information, please call us today at 561-835-9655.